Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing well. Even I am doing very well. So today it's a requested video from our best follower. So he want to know and this video is for Lucky. I want to tell his name. I want to mention his name also in this. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how to get rid of pimples just in one overnight. You don't need to worry if you're going for any emergency parties or something. You can use this remedy for full night. I mean, just follow this process what I'm showing, and it's better to do this in the night because it works very well in the night. So do this process and follow this process and apply on and do whatever I'm showing you, and you will get your pimple get removed in one overnight. That's it. And by the time you get them in the morning, you cannot see any pimple on your face. That's real. And you can better follow this and in the starting stage of the pimple, and don't let the pimple to grow very further, and let it and don't let it grow a pus inside it, so that if the pimple is if pimple has pus in it, and if the pimple is very big in size, it takes 2 to 3 days, I'm telling you. And this remedy is only for the pimple which is in the beginning stage, that is on the first day. Or you can also do this when it is leaving a scar and going off, like on the last day of your pimple. You can just observe when is the first day and the last day by looking at the pimple. And this is the first day of my pimple. I'm doing this just because I just want this pimple to get out. And I can't show you the the result in the live like this, but you can check my thumbnail. I can show you there without the pimple picture also, because I just want to see this today, and I'll repeat this. I'm just trying to show you what I'm doing today night. So today night I'll do this, and then by next day morning I don't want to see this pimple on my face, which is very irritating, not only to me or also to you, right? So guys, this is really a very good video, also a requested video from Lucky. So Lucky, thanks a lot from myself, and also from myself, because I'm gonna show you a very good video just because of you, and from also my followers who just kinda ask or request a video about this. And even there are too many people who have pimples on their face, but they could not really get out of it. And it obviously take at least a week for too many peoples to for removing entire pimple, like without a scar, to let it go. At least it takes 1 week, but I'm just telling you, and it's a sure, I'm giving assurance that you can remove this only in one day, one fine overnight. So guys, without any delay, let's get started. So watch this video till the last, because at the last I'm gonna give you 2 to 3 best tips where you cannot get the pimples further. So you don't need to suffer from the pimples further. You can see my face. Earlier my face was very bad with spots and too many pimples, and I followed that. What I followed, I'm gonna tell you those secrets in the last of the moment or last of the video. So watch the video till the last, and you can just support me and help me with only one thing, that is just you can find a subscribe button at the bottom of my video, right? Yeah, just click that button, and beside that you can see a bell button, and you will get a notification if you click that bell button, and keep it ready. So whatever video I'm gonna upload, you will just get a notification. So you don't need to search for it, that will be lying in the notification for you. So guys, thanks a lot for supporting me like this, and keep supporting me. And our family should reach 5,000, 10,000, and so on, and should not stop at all. So just keep on adding your friends and family members in our family, and I'll be showing too many very good videos and useful videos for you. So without any delay, let's get started. The first step in the pimple reduction process is to suppress the pimple first. If you have a very big pimple also, you can first need to suppress its size. For that, we are taking the ice cube and putting in a towel like this and just tap on the pimple just for 5 minutes. So you should do this for 5 minutes so that you can suppress the pimple or reduce the size of the pimple. I can show you a picture of it, how you can suppress the picture. Here it is. If the pimple is like this from the in the left picture, it will suppress to the right picture like that. So do it for at least for 5 minutes. If you don't feel any difference, you can directly also use the ice cube on the face, but I always prefer to use the towel like this, which will not affect your skin or affect your pimple too much. So this will be the mild suppression. And the next step in this is I'm using tea tree oil. I'm giving two options here. The first thing is application. In that application, the first application is tea tree oil application. We are just taking 2 to 3 drops of tea tree oil and just applying at the direct spot of the pimple. We are not using any extra things in this, just applying and wait for 20 minutes before you rub. So after 20 minutes, you just use the cotton ball like this and remove it, or just try to remove the tea tree oil which is present on your pimples. If you have a multiple pimples, you can do this, and that is take the potato like this, grate it. This is the second option. So grate as much as you have the pimples. If you want to apply to the entire face, you can use full potato also. As I have only one pimple, I'm showing it on one pimple. If you have too many pimples also, you can use this and try to squeeze out the potato juice from it. And so that as it is very little amount, we are just using filter and squeezing out the potato juice from it. I'm not using anything over here, no water in this, just only potato squeeze. And after squeezing, we are gonna add so I squeezed out as much as of potato juice I want. I'm gonna add a pinch of, or just a pinch of turmeric in this, because turmeric is very good, and it is an anti bacterial, helps you to get a clear skin. And the potato juice which we used, it contains the starch and vitamin A and helps to soothe inflammation and absorb oil. So I have applied only at the spot where I have a pimple, and after 20 minutes I'm just gonna remove it. It is very difficult to remove as it get dried up. If you want, you can just wet your cotton ball also to remove it. So the third step is we are just packing it. Packing in the sense, this is the pack which is the best pack. So we are using mint leaves over here, and we are using the potato, grated potato, from which we have removed the juice out. There will be little more juice left in it, which we are getting the juice out by grind. We are not using any grinder, or we are just using a mortar and pestle like this and making it into a very good paste, soft paste. So after getting the paste, remove it in the small bowl and keep it aside. And in during application, this will be little dried up. In order to make it wet, we are just adding the process which we used earlier. So we are just adding it to that and applying it as it like this, and allow it to set it for 20 minutes, and it will be very cold. And also mint gives very as it contains the salicylic acid and vitamin A, it helps to control the secretions of the sebum oil in the skin, so that your pimple will be removed easily. So then we have removed after 20 minutes by using a cotton ball. So every time you use the cotton ball, use the fresh one, don't use the already used one. So the last, we are applying aloe vera gel, a little aloe vera gel, a pinch, and that will be enough. And just go to sleep and do this every day night. So guys, that's it, and this is the things only which are available easily in your kitchen. So you don't need to buy anything from outside, as they are very natural. It gives a very good results to you. And when you are applying aloe vera gel, you feel little tingling, and that is the reason your pimple got already open, and it is ready to heal. So let it set for whole night, so allow it to get healed up full night, and you can peacefully go to sleep. You don't need to worry about the pimple, and next day in the morning you can see if it is a big pimple, you can see the pimple size got reduced, or if it is a very small pimple in the beginning stage, you can see there is no more pimple on your skin. So guys, try to follow these steps carefully, and don't skip any step from it. So guys, anyways, and thanks a lot for watching my videos, and thanks for encouraging me. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe, and thanks a lot. Bye bye.